Today, let's do a pack dump. This is the XOP Striker Backpack. Has some really nice key feature here, such as these straps. You've got nylon webbing here, which increases its strength. The bag itself actually came with these additional straps you could add. I put those on, and you've got some straps here on the bottom, as well as a pocket for a rain flag. Up front, you've got this nice pocket here. Slip something like a call in. A couple little pockets here. Which works out perfect when you're hanging in a tree stand or a saddle. You've got that sitting there like that. You're able to access things while it's hanging, and they don't fall out. Got two side pockets here. Got these side pockets. You got netting. Keep a bag in there for collecting mushrooms. This one's lined, so it's good to hold a water bottle. Keeps it cool. Again, on this side, got another mesh netting. And here, another side pocket, which holds things like snippers pretty quick. And a folding saw. Quick access. We've also got a nice lined pocket up here for things like cameras or cell phones. Then, something I really like here is a full zip. This opens all the way up. Again, nice mesh pocket here. Another one here. Got a space for a water bladder, which is pretty convenient. And on the back here, I was a little confused about this one, but you also have this back pocket. Now what I found is pretty nice to keep in here is just licenses. Slide those in, they're nice and flat. Keep my tags back there, as well as an ink pen and a couple zip ties. I don't feel it when I'm hiking in. Another cool feature, this unclips. So if you are sitting in a tree stand, you need to hang this over. It's super easy, super convenient. And you don't have to worry about your backpack falling. And you've got your little holes and line up here for your water bladder if you go that route. It's got a chest clip to keep it nice and secure. And it's extremely adjustable as well to ensure a good fit, as well as this nice padded mesh for airflow. So on my end, I usually keep things like my knee pads for saddle hunting. Obviously, if I'm not saddle hunting, these don't come along. I have a compression sack. Inside of this, I've got my First Lite source jacket, a White Tailor's puffy jacket. I've always run a puffy jacket in there. And I also like to bring this, my binos. This little package here is nice versus the chest rig, because I can strap it off there once I'm up in a tree. And of course, got my wipes to clean me after the job's done. And here, keep my rangefinder, my butt cuffs, and I keep a couple batteries around, just in case. And here, got my rig, so I can hang anything while I'm up in a tree. I don't have to screw anything in, but if it is there and I need it, it's there. Already saw this, but keep a flashlight in here. Keep some dusting powder in here. Some milkweed seeds. As you probably saw in this one, keep a little coal there. Got my knife. A little bit more of this, just in case. And that's really about it. I do like to keep the mushroom bag on the side, just in case I do find anything worth foraging. Keep my drinks there, and that's it. That's pretty much what I'm taking to the field with me 100% of the time.
The straps work well for carrying things like saddle hunting equipment. You can also strap in your bow both vertically or laterally. I like to use a lateral setting when climbing into a tree stand or climbing up to get positioned into a saddle. Strapping in a crossbow is also easy and convenient, especially when climbing up a tree or if you're hauling out game. You can also strap in a shotgun, muzzleloader, or rifle, making it easy for long ascents or hauling out meat. Okay, so again, that is the Striker Evolution pack. This is from XOP, which you can pick up at xopoutdoors.com. Got your little products tab up there. But yeah, present it's $69.99. They're currently doing free shipping on orders over $50. But yeah, I mean overall, I've gone through all the features on this pack. It's got a great customer review rating. I myself placed a pretty good review on it. I'm very satisfied with this product. So if you're looking for a new pack, this might be a pretty good fit for you. Again, comes with these little buckles. These are standard on it. Again, it's got a couple here on the bottom, but comes with all these extra ones, which is great because you can, I mean, literally strap all sorts of gear onto that. But good deal. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video here. And if you have any follow-up questions for me about this pack, about my experience with the pack, or if you'd just like to tell me about your experience with it as well, please feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the woods.